Hello, students. I explain this the past in the present, this skit in short, in a summary way. And now today we are going to explain. I am going to explain you this skit line by line. So I already told you about the characters, right? Neil, a younger teenager, and a boy from 1950s, his grandfather. Again, a boy 1910, Neil's great great grandfather, like this. So, the theme is only, if you read the lesson, theme is only that you must listen your mother, right? Neil, mom, I put the dishes in the dishwasher just as you asked me to. Now I am going to out to meet my friends. Mom enter. Mom सुनती है mom को Neil says that mom I do everything dishwasher dishes जो थी dishwasher में डाल दी and just as you ask me. So mom, what is the mom replied? Mom replied, you haven't cleaned up your room. Neil reply again, oh, I clean it only 2 days ago. 2 दिन से पहले ही तो मैंने I clean it. I clean my room. Mom reply again. It is a conversation, and that's why you have to read it properly. That you have to clean it up daily, every day. Neil picking up his books, clothes, hair. The letters or the words are in a red. These shows the action of Neil, right? And putting them in their places, and it is, and again talk while he is working. Again he talked, mumbling. It is necessary to clean up every day. What difference does it make? क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Mom says it does. It builds up a right habits, the right attitude. Neil replies, all right, I get enough of lectures when school is on. When स्कूल जब शुरू होती है तो टीचर्स बहुत सारे लेक्चर्स देती है, तो डोंट, इट मीन्स डोंट गिव मी एनी लेक्चर, राइट? Mom replies, after Neil finishes his chores, that looks much better now. But you forgot to make your bed. Do that, you may go out. After you, mom says, after you clean your bed also, you can go. Neil again irritated, feeling very bad, and says, mom, it's getting late. The bed is going to mess up again when I sleep after lunch. Why do I have to make my bed? Why? Because why he is asking again and again? Because he is getting irritating. Mom says, that reminds me of something I heard about your grandpa. And from this, she start the grandpa and the great grandpa and the great great grandpa and the great great grandpa, like this. When he was in his teens, he had many more daily chores to finish and much tougher ones you. And the mom replies, on that day, his mom had told him firmly. इन अ टीनेज बॉय 1950s के जो उसके ग्रैंडपा थे, उनको उनको बोलते हैं, द बॉयज मदर, मेक योर बेड बिफोर गोइंग आउट. 1950s boy says, replies, but mama, I have already watered the garden, brought home the grocery, dusted the living room, cleaned my bicycle. Now why do I need to make my bed? And the boy's mother, 1950s boy's mother replied, let me tell you about your grandfather in his teens. अब वो उनके ग्रैंडफादर के बारे में बोल रही है. मीन्स 1910. मदर सेज, you can't go out unless you make your bed. And the boy replies, 1910's boy replies, Mummy, I fetch water and fill up the pots, swept the terrace, collected wood for the stove, cleaned the grinding stone. He says he tells his all the works chores whatever he done. And Neil replies, "What are the grinding stones?" Ah, yes, they didn't have any electric grinders in those days. Mom replies, "No electricity either in the most towns and cities in India." Neil looks surprised. And again, they come on their story. 1910's boy replies, "I promised to go the riverside with my friends. Why do I have to make my bed now?" And the boy's mother replies, "Let me tell you about your great grandfather who lived in 19th century when he was young." And 80s mother 80s mother says, "Son, make everyone's bed." Look, 80s मदर क्या बोल रही, सभी के बेड्स बनाओ. लुक एवरीवन, मेक एवरीवंस बेड. And the 80s boy replied, "Mother, dear, I have washed clothes at the river and put them into dry. I also chopped the wood, mixed at the broken fence, took the goats up to the hill to graze. I want to play Atapatya." Atapatya is a type of a game with my friends. Why do I have to make the beds? And the boy's mother replies, "That's your daily work. Your great great grandfather did even more. Now go and make the beds." And this forefather of mine is from, Mom replies, the 16th century. 50s boy, my dear mother, 50s boy के बारे में अभी बोल रही है. And my dear mother, I have already milked the cows, taken them to graze, fetched vegetables from our farm, staked them, swept the backyard and front yard also. Now may I please go to play Ashtapada with the Sampad Bhau. Ashtapada is also a name of a game. Okay. Ashtapada is also a name of a game with a Sampad Bhau. Sampad Bhau is or and Mahadev Bhau. It is a name of person. जो जो भी रहते थे उनको उनके साथ में भाव नाम लगाया जाता था, थोड़े अगर बड़े होते हैं तो. ओके, सो व्हाई शुड आई मेक माई बेड नाउ? एंड द बॉयज 15 बॉयज मदर रिप्लाइड, व्हाई डोंट टॉक बैक? Think of your double great 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 grandfather when he was about 40 years old. And again she tells about the 1,000 years boy and most revered mother. Most revered mother, I have fetched water from, रिवर्ड मतलब बहुत प्यारी माँ. आई हैव फेच्ड वाटर फ्रॉम द लेक एंड poured it into the farm channels to water our crops. I cleared the block channels and pulled out weeds. At home I packed the mud walls where there were cracks. Now I have no time for anything else. I wish to go to watch the puppet show. Why do I have to make my bed? And the mother replies, "Do not grumble, dear son. Your triple great grandfather had to do much more than he was your age." अब उससे भी ट्रिपल ग्रेट ग्रैंडपा जब उनके जैसे थे तब वो बहुत सारे, इससे भी कई सारे काम करते थे. सो यू हैव टू डू दिस वर्क, right? Mother says that you have to do this work. So now let's see the 100 CE boy. 100 सेंचुरी का जो बॉय था वो क्या करता था, किस तरह से बात करता था, एंड हाउ दे आर टॉकिंग विद, हाउ दे आर कन्वर्सेशन, राइट? माता देवी, आई फेड द पोल्ट्री, टेंडेड अ शिप, kept this bird away for 4 hours in our field using a sling, also plastered the yard with dung. And again, then boy says, I wish to go to play Bak Chal with my friends. Bakchal is also a name of a game. Why do you wish me to make the beds right now? Why you are thinking that I have to make my bed now, right? And the boy's mother says, because that is what boys have to do. Let me tell you about your ancestor 3000 years ago. And 100th century की जो मदर है वो बोल रही है कि मैं तुम्हें किसके बारे में बता रही हूँ, 3000 ईयर्स में जो तुम्हारे एंसेस्टर है उनके बारे में. And she continues, 3000 BC's boy. Me bo to thee, me hunted down the food for our family, me helped father to carve stone bricks for our new house, me dusted our leather clothes, molded mud pots for cooking and put them to dry. Me need your kind permission to go play Chaunpur with my friends. Why dost thou needs me to make me bed? एंड सेम थिंग इज हैपन कि मैंने जो भी इतना सारा वर्क किया है एंड फिर भी वाई यू डू नॉट परमिट मी टू गो विथ माई फ्रेंड्स. एंड द मदर्स आंसर्स, बिकॉज मी से सो, क्योंकि मैं वो कह रही हूँ एंड दैट्स वाई यू हैव टू लिसन टू मी. एंड all mothers to their sons in turn repeat, do it now, with the boys answering, yes mother. And here Neil totally understand that, okay, so young teenage boys have had chores to do outdoors as well as in their homes. Mom says, very much so, absolutely right. And mom, then Neil says, I wish I had a robot to make my bed and tidy up my room. And mom says, nothing is impossible. If you try, you can make such a robot also. But even for that, you need to work hard. फिर भी तुम्हें क्या करना पड़ेगा, हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ेगा. एंड द बॉटम लाइन इज गो एंड मेक योर बेड. At any how condition, you have to listen your mothers, right? So here we complete our lesson. You have to complete your English workshop in your notebook, and best of luck for your first term exam. Thank you.